This is the latest portable speaker from Xiaomi, but also perhaps the most impressive one so far. Let me explain why in this review. Before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to avoid missing any videos from us in the future. Now let's begin. For starters, this looks really good. Ours is a blue variant, and while it's also available in a more subtle black variant, I would choose this for sure as it looks great. The nylon mesh pattern on the outside along with the hard plastic and rubber gives it a rugged yet lively look, which breaks away a bit from the almost utilitarian approach that Xiaomi usually takes. The speaker is waterproof with an IPX7 rating that allows you to use it in the shower, on a rainy day, or even enjoy it at pool parties with friends and family, whenever that becomes a thing again, that is. There also seems to be a hydrophobic coating that repels some of the water, and considering that it comes with a nice and thick lace lanyard, you can also hang it out to dry. The lanyard is of course removable, but I would assume that it's quite handy to attach the speaker to your cycle or on similar surfaces where you can't easily accommodate a speaker. In terms of size, the closest comparison I have would be a 0.8 liter water bottle, so another way you can carry it is in your bottle compartment on your bag, for example. The speaker consists of two 8-watt drivers that deliver crisp and clear sound as well as very loud output. The speaker is geared more towards entertainment and as a result has a punchier bass. It's not an audiophile grade speaker by any means, and the tuning is more catered towards the mass public, but the quality itself is very good with clear vocals, good instrument separation and overall impressive sound. Now here's a quick comparison between the speaker itself and my 12 Pro Max to give you an idea of how loud it actually gets.
Bluetooth connected. Battery power about 50%.
If you happen to have one more of the same speaker and need even louder output, what you can do is make use of the touch pairing button that allows you to connect and play music and content via both speakers at the same time. Now it uses Bluetooth 5 and it worked well with both Android and iOS devices that we tried. The buttons are tactile and rubberized, gives good feedback as well. A single press on the power button also gives you the battery level status via an audio message. Now this charges over USB Type-C and has a 2600 mAh battery, and they say that a single charge promises up to 13 hours of playback. This will of course depend on various factors, and after 2 hours of playback we lost 20% of charge, which should translate to roughly around 10 hours of playback. Do note that this was during testing where we tried several different sources, played louder than we normally would, etc. So your battery life should be slightly better unless you're always playing it at max volume. Call quality is fairly decent but not great. Mic works well in terms of eliminating background noise, but you do sound distant and the overall volume is also quite low, and people can make out that you're using a Bluetooth device and not your phone. Overall, this is quite a good speaker that gives the perfect balance between portability and performance. Thanks for watching. We'll leave a purchase link in the description below in case you're interested in buying it. See you again in the next one, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.